Hey, Wendy here, just sharing a video with Never Lose Truth 2. This is Carol in Anderson, who also does an amazing job with all her research and sharing of the truth, which we all appreciate.
Hi guys. October 10, 2019. I guess shutting off the power didn't work to prevent a wildfire.
I had heard a bunch of honking up and down my street, and I honestly thought I was dreaming. And then one of our neighbors came and said that you were evacuating over to the church, and then suddenly there was just this insanely large smell of smoke. And obviously, once we got down here, about off in the distance, up in the hills, you could see the fire, you could see the flames. And so the whole town is sort of either leaving Miranda or staying and waiting to see how long this is going to last. But for right now, we're all just evacuating to either the church or a safe parking lot.
I have a feeling that it's somebody, well, it seems to me as though it would be arson. It's not down power lines. It's the middle of the night. It's cool. It's not hot. So what's going to start a fire like that other than somebody throwing matches? But that's my opinion. I have nothing to back that up with.
Okay. So, what's going on here? They had no power. I want to thank my subscriber for sending this along. I've been looking for more information. There's very little about this fire. It seems that the news, much of the news that's coming in right now is based on what was happening at 1 a.m. 60% contained. This was in an area where the power was shut off.
Well, that's right, Walt. Fortunately, that fire is now under control. I learned that it was about 40 acres, but fortunately, about 150 firefighters, they raced in to tackle that wildfire, but certainly a rude awakening for folks that live in that neighborhood. About 170 families were evacuated just after 1 o'clock in the morning. They're now here where we're at St. Monica's Parish Church. They were set up in a small evacuation center. The American Red Cross came in very quickly to help these folks out, keep them warm. But this is in one of those areas that's in a public safety power shutoff, so nobody had power here. How'd they get the warning? Well, police had to go door to door knocking. Some folks got knocks from their family members or friends who actually saw the fire late in the morning and also heard the fire trucks coming in. Certainly something that folks were definitely concerned about and has been a big point of concern. But fortunately, like I said, firefighters say they have it under control. About 70 people have been, 70 families actually have been allowed back in, but there's still a number of families that are not allowed back in, and we're continuing to monitor this. We'll have more coming up later on. Well,
If any of you have more information about this fire, could you please leave the links below?
I will leave the original link to Carol's video below, Never Lose Truth, and this one is Never Lose Truth 2. And thank you all.